Hello, my Pokies. This is gonna be a late night tarot reading for you. I hope you all are doing so well on this planetary alignment, on this new moon. Should be in Pisces still, if I remember correctly. I hope you can still hear me well. I'm trying not to talk too loud for my roommate's sake. Okay, Spirit. I got you. I guess y'all can hear me pretty well then. Today, we're going to get out some oracle cards. And I have the cat tarot deck out on deck again. It's been a while since I pulled from this deck. Just been giving it a bit of a break, and yeah, my cat's scratching on stuff. One moment. Ashley, what are you doing? You can't. No. You can't have my books. You can't read. I'm sorry. I tried to teach you. He wants to be human so bad. No, you don't. You don't want to be human, do you? You're cool being a cat. A cool cat. Anyway, I swear he was a human in a past life, but this is not like a promo or anything, but these books really do help. The Project 369 that you can get on the TikTok shop, and the Miracle Journal. I really like both of them. And then these are just my dream journals and my actual journal, which, by the way, some of y'all need to get back on journaling, I hear, and also start journaling your dreams, because they're going to be significant, especially with this new alignment. Oh, okay, everything's falling. I have to hide it underneath my pillow so he won't go scratching at it. But yes. Yeah, so I had to take a break from TikTok and recording for a while because I was very sick. I was pretty dang sick, and it was not good. And then I had some projects to work on. I've been helping a few people out with their channels, but yeah, I won't say too much about that yet because it's still a surprise, but yeah. What are we going to do today? I guess we'll just do a general reading since nothing really is coming to mind. I do have a sense of finance and like miracles in general, so y'all have been manifesting already. That's what I've been sensing, and I feel like buckle up, get ready just like popped into my head. So like you're about to go for a ride. Maybe an actual ride too. Theme parks are significant during this time. But yes, Spirit, angels, ancestors, spirit guides, higher beings, please help me with this message. What is the message for collective? What is the message for collective today or tonight? Whatever you're watching this at. Like, I'll probably post this tomorrow. Oh, we got the drum out. You a musician? I know you are. Some of you guys really are, but, yes. So, if you work on music, continue to do that because it's going to bring you good stuff. Oh, and it seems like you're finding your tribe as well, your spiritual family. That's what I'm getting from this card. And I am being called to read from the book as well, but I'll do that in a moment. My cat was attacking this, but he likes to string in it, but he cannot have it. You have plenty of toys, mister. You do not need that. chill for a sec. I'll go play with you in a minute. Go on. We need to go to bed soon. It's like almost... It's past 2 o'clock, so past my bedtime, but... Oh well. Spirit said there needed to be a message, so there's a message. I was probably supposed to record it yesterday. Well, I won't say that. Things happen for a reason. And I took care of myself yesterday. I felt really good about yesterday. But besides the point, sorry, I got off on a tangent. Is there anything else for collective in this deck? I have a sense that y'all might be going on vacation soon. That's exciting. Get whatever you need ready now, like passports or maybe you want to buy some new clothes. You should definitely do that. Like, splurge on yourself a little bit. Like, don't break the bank, but do something good for yourself, because I sense that we haven't really been doing that lately. Or maybe in a long time, maybe years for some of you. Can I get one more card, Spirit? One more card, please. There's a few that want to come out. It's just like... The energy today has been kind of down. And I say that as the standstill comes out in reverse. You guys might be reflecting on a few things as of late. Like shadow aspects of yourself. And the relationships in your life that don't serve you. We had a similar, well, I won't say similar reading. We did have a theme of that in a reading, in the last reading, I believe. I believe it was the last reading. But now would be a great time to go ahead and cut out those ties that really drain you and just hold you back. Because in the end, it's like, it's really taking away from your blessings, and it's putting a hold on things, on your blessings coming in, your manifestations. I just get this very drained feeling. I've been feeling drained a lot lately, but especially today. I needed to take a nap as soon as I got home because of how tired I was. And even now, I'm still feeling a little drained, but there's also like a sense of betrayal in my heart. You guys might be going through a bit of a heartbreak situation right now. Maybe you recently broke up with someone, or cut ties with an old friend, or been thinking about it. Or maybe like someone in your family said some really hurtful words. I can't even speak right now. Maybe like it was really hard for you to get it out, or this is still something you're debating. But ooh, yeah, that one was a big one. Yeah, I'm getting chill bumps with that. But Spirit's saying it's time. Like, if they're making you feel like you're not safe in your own body, or you can't be yourself around them, then they don't deserve you. No matter if they're family or not, you know? Doesn't matter how long you've known them for, and what they do for you. I'm sensing that they do it to get something out of you. They're not actually doing it from the kindness of their heart. And you don't deserve that at all. Like, you've been through enough already. You don't need more people trying to put you down whenever you know what you've been through. And you deserve people who will come together and bring you up. And not keep you in this stagnant state. I'm also hearing that these people have been giving you really bad advice on your life situations. Like, don't tell this person anything, because all they want to do is hold you back because they're jealous. And they can't stand to see you succeed in anything. So they rather bring you down than bring you back up with... Some people just want to watch the world burn because they can't get out of themselves. Like, they can't get out of their own head. And that's not fair to others. So, for the essence of the drum, the rhythm of the drum tunes you to the beating heart of the universe. Its wood frame links you to the trees and helps you journey to the lower world via the roots and the upper world via the branches. Just making sure my cat wasn't doing anything. He's just doing his hashy thing. But the drum skin gives the shaman the powers of the animal kingdom. Striking the drum calls forth power of the thunder and rumbling of the earthquake. There's a slam. The drum invites a trance state where healing and prosperity happen. It's in its invitation form. So the drum invites you to take the next bold step into your journey, whatever that may be. The forces of heaven and earth are aligned behind you, supporting effortless action. What are you doing? You know you can't have a pen. Oh, maybe you guys are writers. Definitely keep doing that. Journaling, of course, I've already mentioned that, but they're stressing journaling at this time. Anyway, yes, I hear you, Spirit, I hear you. I'll do it too, I promise. I just did my journaling today. I got a new journal, so that's nice. It's nice to do, and looking up journal prompts will help you during this time as well. Just do whatever you feel called to do, but I found that doing journal prompts really helped me whenever I can't decide or don't know what to write about. But I digress. This is not a time to push against the river. The current will take you exactly where you want to go once you jump in. Collect your power tools and summon your courage, because it's going to be a wild and glorious journey. Allow yourself to be carried by the rhythm of what is really essential in your life. So your passions, go for them, because this is the opportune time to do so. Everything's in alignment. Literally all, I won't say all the planets, like 7 of them are in alignment right now. I know Venus is one of them, which has to deal with love and money and relationships. And yeah, what better time, you know? This perfect time to do so. Circle. I flip right to it. Love that. The essence of the circle. Unification, interconnectedness, and a sense of continuum is what this card implies. The circle reminds us we are all one, dancers in a unified, continuous, inclusive cycle. So you might be a dancer as well. Go for that. I personally love dancing. It helps get out all the jitters, and it helps get the blood flowing and gets your day going. It's a really good way to get out stuck emotions. So if you're feeling stagnant, maybe like get up and shake it a little bit. Dance like no one's watching, because who cares? Really, who cares? As long as you're having fun, that's all that matters. Just don't hurt yourself. I know I used to dance like crazy, and I would like to get back into doing that, but I digress again. This card reminds us of the cycles of life and evolving self, ever changing and always connected. Human, spirit, nature, the cosmos, all intersectically connected. And in its invitation form, when the circle appears, it reminds you that you are connected to everything and everyone, including spirit. I'm hearing a lot about God in particular, so maybe that is your deity of choice. But yes, God's calling you to be more in touch with Him, or her, whatever you want to call God. I personally do not care. I believe in just about everything, because I feel like everything has some merit to it. I believe the universe is one, and these different energies are very valid. Like Hecate and Freya, Odin, all that jazz. It doesn't really matter to me. Like, it's all the same to me, and yeah, maybe that's significant for you too, but I digress. Spirit's essence beats in your heart and inspires you to co-create your world. Knowing that you count, that you have purpose in this world. What? Am I like ADHDing? Not ADHDing, but dyslexia-ing? I have dyslexia. I don't know. Knowing that you count, that you have purpose in this world. I'm not quite sure if that's how you're supposed to word it. I'm not the best at reading in general, but like, I like to read, and I'm trying. Bear with me, okay? What I'm guessing is saying, like, you co-create your world, and just like know that you have purpose within the world as well. And there's a reason why you're in the circles that you're in, like in your connections. Because it's serving you and others. But to continue with what this paragraph is trying to tell me. Imagine even a smile to a stranger can change the course of a life. When the circle invites you to dance in the sacred steps of life, know that your work, your love, your service brings greater value than you know. Stay the course, keep dancing, and all will be well. So, with these connections you're building, you're doing an amazing job at what you're doing, even if it's like you don't think you're doing much. Even a smile can make someone's day. Even like to a stranger, you could give them something like some offhanded advice, and that could like change the whole course of their life. You never know what people are going through, and I want you to know that you are special, and you definitely have a place here if you're ever in doubt of that. But you're going to change the world for the better. I just know it. Anyway, I turned it up right, so maybe something clicked in your head while we were talking about this. We're gonna read the upside down first, and then we'll read the upright. But yes, let me know, guys, if you like me reading from this book, or if you prefer the intuitive reads, because I like doing both, but I know that reading from the book, it makes the videos longer, and I know you have to get on with your day, but some people don't mind the longer videos. They just put it on in the background, and that's so valid. But if it's also disorienting in any kind of way, or if it hinders anything within your process of like obtaining the information, please let me know. I'm open to what my audience thinks, because ultimately this is for you. This reading's for you. Did you know? So the essence. When standstill appears, it is a symbol of pausing, the act of observation and breathing space. It represents the beliefs of temporary non-action, as well as what happens when one is stuck. Well, let's read the medicine, and then we'll read the invitation, because we saw it in the upright. We saw it in the upright just now, so. Time to get out of analysis paralysis. Oh, so you're being critical of yourself. And that could be based off of other people's, like, interpretations of you as well. Fuck those people. They don't know you. They don't know the struggles you've went through and the hard work you're putting in to achieve your goals. So fuck what they say. It doesn't really fucking matter. Fuck them. But if it's you in your own head, then lovely, baby doll, sweetie pie, don't you know you are so amazing, and you, I can't get past how freaking amazing you are. You just don't know it yet. Some of you might, but I know the monster in your head can get a bit loud sometimes, but don't listen to it. It's not true. It's not true at all. I'm getting ahead of myself. Stand still invites you to turn within, breathe, and recognize this is the condition of the moment. Heard movement, but yes. It allows you the opportunity to bear witness to whatever is going on before movement resumes. See, there is the movement. This is also an opportunity to abort project, to exit before damage. I don't really think that applies here unless there's a project that's not bringing you any joy. Take that with a grain of salt. That's not going to be for everyone. This is a general reading. If it applies, then apply it to your life, but if not, let it fly. And it may also be time to relieve you of an unnecessary burden that you took on without considering the cost. So with that, maybe you have been taking on other people's baggage or karmic debt, as some people like to call. Don't concern yourself with other people's problems, even if you really, really care about them. If they... It's okay to want to help others, but once they start taking your energy from you and, like, taking you away from the things that are really important to you, it's time to, like, put up some boundaries. You don't necessarily have to cut this person off if you want to form a good relationship with you and you feel like it's worth being in. But if this is an everyday occurrence, or, like, if this is a regular occurrence, I don't think it's very healthy to stay in. Now, this is completely up to you. Do as you will. You have free will. But if this person continues to drain you, then this person is not worth being in your life. You can wish them well, and, like, yeah, I'm here and pray for them, but ultimately, it's one, not your business, two, not your problem, so don't make it your problem. But, continuing on with that, which one, it depends on your stopping, taking a breath, quieting your mind, and removing all distractions. Okay, it says which one it is. Depends on... I'm hearing meditation, so do some meditation about it. Ask Spirit, God, your guides, whoever you speak to, get some clarification on it, and you'll know. Usually, the first person that pops up into your head when I'm mentioning this stuff, or when anybody it's usually that person. But I digress with that. Then you can make your next move in a grounded, relaxed, detached way. Detachment is key here. When something doesn't go the way you think it should, remember the following. What is yours cannot be taken away. And some of these people, they want to take your blessings away. They might not seem like it at the surface. They might be really nice to you behind, I was about to say behind closed doors or behind your back. I don't know why. But, like, maybe that's significant to you. But I just know in my heart this energy is not good. This is different for everybody. So take it with a grain of salt, like I said. But not a good situation to be in, my love. Now, for the invitation... When things seem to stall or stagnate, or when you feel stuck, this symbol appears as a reminder that constant action isn't going to get you where you want to go. Perhaps it is time to gather more information, or just wait until the universe makes the next move. No matter what, this moment is a beautiful gift orchestrated in your favor. Enjoy it. Let the universe bring all the parts together for the highest good. Go and play, recharge, and take the focus off whatever is stalled. Life will get busy again for you the sooner... Life will get busy again for you sooner than you think. So that ties in with, like, the vacation that I mentioned earlier, or just like going on a night out, or like going on a retreat, or maybe you want to go camping. That's fun too. And it'll help ground you and get recentered. But I feel like that's an important thing right now, is just finding peace and serenity in the moment. However you can do it. I mean, everybody meditates differently. Some people read books whenever they meditate. Some people listen to music. Some people do chores like washing dishes and stuff like that. Some people even like watch YouTube videos. That can be a form of meditation if you're doing it in a mindful way, or like with intention. Meditation doesn't always have to be sit there, do nothing, breathe. You can do other stuff too. Like my ADHD brain, I'm always on the move. I always want to be doing something with my hands. So sometimes I draw or paint, and that's when most of my visions and ideas come to me. So maybe that's significant for you too. Let's pull something from the Cat Tarot deck before we close out today. Because this video is already pretty long. But also the Crow. We love the Crow. Mysterious like. Also, be careful with the I almost said pandemic, but we're not going to manifest that happening again. The bird flu. Take extra precautions, follow forums online, because they're talking about like the mutations with it and risks that it has for animals and stuff, and your families, yourself. Some states are affected more than others, but it's good to stay up to date on that. I've been wearing a mask everywhere I go, just to be careful. But yeah, I just suggest doing some research on that. But yes, the Crow. Let's get some insight from the Cat Tarot deck. Spirit, angels, ancestors, spirit guides, higher beings, angels. I said that twice. Please help me with this reading. What does collective need to know? What is the general message for collective, building off of what we got already? So, the Ten of Swords is usually not the best card. And it deals with a lot of betrayal and trauma. And its reversal, it usually means that yes, you're still in that kind of pain, but the end is near. Just try to hold out. And I'm hearing, try to, as best as you can, try not to focus on the negative. I know that's hard, especially if you're still going through tough moments in your life. But doing stuff to uplift you will really help you during this time. Anything else, Spirit? What else do we have? Any advice? Any advice? Okay. Queen of Pentacles in this reverse. You might be dealing with like a scarcity mindset as well. Maybe money's tight and it's causing you to kind of revert back to your old ways in a way. Not completely, of course, but like take that with a grain of salt too. Like some of y'all are good, but just keep an eye out on those aspects of yourself. Maybe you're financially dependent on someone right now and things aren't looking too good in that department. I also got this card, a Knight of Cups. It's very important to focus on what makes you happy and fulfills you emotionally. Because I do believe that whether it be a person or divine, something's coming in for you. And it has a lot to offer you. But you can't see it if you're constantly looking down. That's another thing I'm getting to. Try to, whenever you're walking, have your chest out and like look up, because that's where you'll get your signs as well. Queen of Cups. Maybe you're a bit irritable right now, and like I can sense that you're tired. You're exhausted after what you've been through, and it's making you a little emotionally unavailable right now. You seem very guarded with your heart. And I understand. I really do. But when there's a will, there's a way. When there's a will, there's a way. Ace of Swords in the reverse. Usually not a good thing. Maybe you're afraid of conflict. Or something bad happening if you express how you truly feel to others. But let me just say, if they were really for you, they would understand you. Devil in the reverse. You're breaking free from these chains. Like, whether it be addiction or bad relationships, you're breaking free from them. You just need to learn how to let go. And that's easier said than done. Trust me, I know. But it is time to let go. The harder you hold on, the worse it gets. You can't get anywhere stuck and stagnant in one place. It's like I just got this vision of someone walking into cement, like wet cement, and just getting stuck there. I don't know. Maybe you work construction. I don't know. Maybe that might be significant to you. Or you know someone who works in construction. Or maybe you've been seeing construction lately. But yeah, the longer you stay there, the worse it gets, and it's going to be harder to get out of. I'm not saying go do anything rash, but stand your ground and respect your own boundaries. They're put there for a reason. And this person, Lovers in the reverse. This could be like a bad partnership. It doesn't have to be a relationship, but it can be. It can be. I keep wanting to say lovers. So this is heavily emphasized on a relationship, a romantic relationship. But this can be family members as well, and friends. maybe coworkers, but I'm just seeing them put you down and really messing with your energy. And they know what they're doing. Of course they do. You don't deserve this, love. You deserve way more. You deserve better in your life. Anything else, Spirit? Let's try to end on a high note. Self-isolation. Hermit in reverse. You've been isolating a lot, and it's time to come out of your shell. Once you do, the people who truly respect you and love you and care for you, they'll come around. You just have to be open to it. They can't necessarily find you if you're hiding in a bag. I know you just want to protect yourself, but that's harming you as well. You gotta get out of your own head, my love. Can I get one more card for collective? Oh my goodness. Oh, you see, things are gonna get better. You have all these treats to look forward to. And look how easy sleeping this kitty is. Got a full belly and everything. He's just chilling. Relax. Relax. Your blessings are on their way. You gotta be open to them. And I'm also getting to, be open to your inner child. And, doing things that made you happy whenever you were a kid. It's very healing. And it can help ground you in the present moment as well. Just enjoying life as a kid would and appreciating everything that comes with it. I'm also hearing be okay, be comfortable with receiving things from others. Confirmation burp. Because these new friends that are coming in, they want to help you and give you gifts, whether it be monetary or maybe they have a special skill that they want to teach you, or maybe they just simply want to treat you to a nice night out or something like that. It's okay to let them. It's okay to receive it. That doesn't make you a bad person, and it doesn't mean that you're using them. You know who you are. You don't use people. Maybe you did in the past, but you can't dread on the past. The past is the past. You can't change it. You can only change your actions now. And from what I see, you're doing an amazing job. And I'm very proud of you. I want you to keep going. Even when life gets rough, you have to keep going. But yes. They're coming. Just keep working at it. Everything will fall into place. As it should. Have fun. Have fun with your life. You deserve it. But yes, that is all for today, my dear collective. If you would like to book a personal reading with me, temporarily, they are still $30. I am going to switch the prices, let's say a week from now. It'll be $75 after a week. So take advantage of the $30 readings while you still can. In the future, I'll I'll be doing lives, and those will be around 33 for like a mini reading, and then like I want to say 66 for a full reading. And I'll get more into that as I grow, but as of right now, I want to stick with what I know for sure that I'm offering. Things will change in the future as I get more clientele, but yes, you can find me via my email down below, or via TikTok or Instagram temporarily, because we don't know when TikTok's going away again, and I'm still boycotting Meta. There's like certain people on there that I want to keep in contact with, like people from Watermelon, if you understand what that means. I have to get around sensory with that in order for it to even come out. But if you want to learn more about that, there's several links in my link tree down below, and I have a few posts on my Instagram speaking about each family that I'm helping, and I need to update those because certain families have been removed. Their pages have been removed, and I can't find them, so I'll have to update that as well. But as of right now, you can still hit up my link tree and donate if you can, and if not, you can share, because sharing really helps. It really does. But yes, am I missing anything? Oh, so I will have a website soon. I'm developing it myself. It's been on the back burner for a while now, but it's something that's important to me, and I do want to offer more services, and there's only so much I can do here to like promote it. I'm not the best at promoting myself yet, but I'm working on it because I deserve it. I deserve it, dang it. But yes, besides the point, is there anything else I'm missing? I feel like I'm missing something. I'm so tired too. It's like probably well past 2. It's probably like 3 now or something. Oh, yeah. Time to go to bed. Time to go to bed. Yes, so I love you. You're doing amazing. Don't ever forget that. Just because a reading might be rough to hear does not mean you're backtracking either. You're doing good, and I'm very, very, very proud of you. Please keep going. If you need any kind of resources for mental health, I'll put it down in the link below too. Well, description. I always have it in my description, so if you ever need help, please utilize those services. Other than that, I love you. I love you, love you, love you, my pokies. My little pokies. And have a beautiful night. Get some rest, drink some water, take care of yourself.